What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on British Airways, and I'm gonna be teaching you how to transfer your Amex or EMEX points to British Airways online, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, we are gonna go through the process of transferring Amex points to British Airways. So basically, we are having an Avios as its reward program. Basically, Amex points can be transferred to British Airways at 1-to-1 ratio. What you need to do basically and how to do it, well, basically you just type in how to transfer or transfer Amex points to British Airways, and the American Express option will appear, which says British Airways Executive Club Transfer Points. Over here, basically, we are having British Airways Executive Club. Basically, you need to log in, and basically, as you can see, as I told you, one membership reward point is one Avios. You just a minimum is 1,000 points, so you need 1,000 points is required to transfer to the partner, and the transfer amount must be basically in increments of 500. So basically you just enter it over here and simply do it. So actually you just need to basically log in, enter their Avios membership details, and choose the amount of Avios to transfer, and you can transfer up to 60,000 Avios in one go and up to 200,000 Avios in a year. So you can also change Avios for Amex points and Amex to Avios. So guys, basically that's the entirety of the process. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.